What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. As you read by the title, yes, this is a nighttime routine. It's something I have been trying to film for the longest, but I finally came around it. This is exactly how I get through my nights, so if you want to watch how I do it, then keep on watching. So at this point of the day, I do like to have my dinner already ready, and I'm already cleaning up the dishes, but because of the sake of this video, I got backtracked a little bit, but that's okay. For this day, I did broccoli, chicken, and brown rice, and I just threw some patties on the grill. I do love grilling more than I like cooking inside, so that's why you see me cooking and grilling and stuff like that. And I couldn't forget my damn corn, because that is bomb.com. I also like to have my kids play outside. I don't really like to be the type of mom that leaves them on their tablets or the phones or watching movies, just because I feel like it's just not healthy for their eyes. And kids nowadays are just always, stuck on the phones and electronics. So anyways, right here I'm just showing you guys what I made. I did talk here, so I just cut it off and I'm just now doing a voiceover. But here are the kids just eating their food, and this is so funny. Just watch. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know she did that, and I was using the damn ketchup the entire time. And then here's Ned just eating his corn, and Anali their corn. They love corn, and especially if it's grilled on the grill, it's really, really, really good. So ya que los niños comieron and they're done playing, I do like to take my kids a bath every single night. It is a staple in my book, and if I do not wash her hair, I just take her a bath. It's something that I have been doing since, honestly, my kids were little. I know that the hospital used to tell you not to take them a bath every single day, but guess what? I would, because I just felt like they need to be clean, and you just fall asleep better knowing that you're clean. So that's just what I did. And then I just brush her hair, and I use this oil on her because she has curly hair, so it does get tangly at the bottom. So that's just what I do. So once I already have the kids ready for bed and all of that good stuff, I do like to just kind of take everything out of the bed and just kind of acomodarla, so that when my husband does get out of the bath, he just lays down and he doesn't really have to do much to it. Good night. Once the kids are ready for bed and they're already sleeping, I do hop in the shower. I'm always the last one to go to sleep, and I'm always the last one to take a shower. And I just kind of just do my face routine. I add my moisturizers, my oils, my serums. And yeah, guys, that is all I do throughout my night. So I hope you guys enjoyed my nighttime routine, and if you guys did, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.